Hi students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. I am Marina Michael, Assistant Professor, PG Department of Commerce, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. Dear students, this is the vocational paper bearing course code CX1171 and the instructional hours per week is 4 hours provided by the Kerala University for BCom Commerce Tax Procedure and Practice. Let's start with the syllabus. This paper, Principles of Taxation, is divided into 5 modules. In the first module, it includes public revenue, meaning sources of public revenue, tax revenue and non-tax revenue, different terms used such as tax, price, fees, fine, penalty, gifts and grants. In the module 2, that is Indian tax system, it includes introduction of history of taxation, taxes in ancient India, taxes during Mughal period, pre-independent tax system, tax during British rule, the Income Tax Act 1922, present system of taxation in India and Income Tax Act 1961. The third module, that is Principles of Tax. It covers areas like objectives of taxation, principles related to taxation system, characteristics of a good tax system, effects of tax on production, distribution and employment, tax capacity, meaning of taxable capacity, two types of taxable capacity such as absolute and relative taxable capacity, and factors determining taxable capacity. Module 4, Taxation under Constitution. Union list relevant to taxation, entry number 82 to entry number 97. State list relevant to taxation, entry number 46 to entry number 54, and one more list is there, concurrent list, that is list 3, and provisions related to distribution of revenue, which are the provisions related to distribution of revenue, and article 268 to 272, constitutional validity of tax laws. Various constitutional validity of tax laws are explained in module 4. Last module, that is module 5, classification of taxes. It covers direct and indirect taxes, meaning of direct tax, basics concepts, SSC, assessment year, previous year, person, income, gross total income and total income. Then another session is there, meaning of indirect taxes, features, its advantages and disadvantages. Distinction between direct and indirect taxes, central indirect tax laws, indirect tax laws of the states, convergence of indirect taxes, and movement of GST. Thank you and God bless you, dear students.